Hi, I'm celebrity makeup artist Jessica Smalls, and today I'm going to show you guys some key products to get a sweat-proof makeup look. A primer is always important to use before you do your foundation, and especially in the summertime. This is why the Ciate Hydrating Primer is amazing. It keeps your skin hydrated and your makeup sweat-proof. When applying primer, I love to use my hands. This allows me to really work it in and let the primer feel like skin. The more I work this primer into my skin, the more I'm realizing that I would actually wear this by itself. I love how hydrated and glowing my skin looks. The next trick that I have to get sweat-proof makeup is to use a banana powder under my eyes. The banana powder that I'm going to use is the Bella Pierre banana powder. Banana powder will also help to brighten up under the eye and keep your makeup in place. The next tip I have for you guys is to make sure you use a water-resistant eyeliner. This will make sure that your makeup doesn't smudge or run or transfer throughout the day. And now I'm going to use my Luna liner to get a perfect smudge-proof line. Also, if you guys are like me and your liners are never the same, don't stress yourself out. What I do is take a tiny Q-tip, dip it in some micellar water, and clean up my line gently. Now that my eyeliner is done, I'm gonna move on to mascara. The mascara that I'm gonna use today is the Tarte Surfer Curl Mascara. This mascara is waterproof, smudge-proof, and transfer-proof. People often ask me how do I do my makeup or especially put on my mascara so well, and I tell them that it's all in the crazy mascara face that you have to make. That's how you do it, honestly, that's the trick, the crazy mascara face. So now that my lashes are on, I'm gonna apply some highlighter to the top of my cheekbones because it's summertime, don't we all wanna glow? Like most of us, we suffer from shiny T-zones. So if you're like us, I want you to concentrate your setting powder on your T-zone. So go across your forehead, down your nose, around the chin, and on the sides. Thank you for watching. I hope that my tips and tricks are gonna help you get your summer sweat-proof makeup on. Thank you for hanging out with me. See you later.